The following message is transmitted at the request of the Althemer Police Department, in cooperation with the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. U.S. Highway 79B is closed in Althemer at this time. A train traveling through the city has had 16 of its cars derail. No casualties have been reported, but a tanker car was involved in the accident. While hazmat is reported that the tanker car does not have any leaks, it is strongly advised that you stay tuned to local media outlets for further information in the event of a possible toxic chemical spill. At this time, it is unknown how long the railroad or roads affected by this derailment will be closed.